Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix floating keyboard issue on Realme C85. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on Chrome. Now here open keyboard. So if you want to fix floating keyboard, so you will see keyboard is floating. So you will see, so if you want to fix, so after the process click on done, you will see keyboard is fixed. So after the process go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix floating keyboard issue on Realme C85. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.